Hello and welcome to How to Play Scorpion Solitaire, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Scorpion Solitaire. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with one player. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. The cards are set up in 7 columns with 7 cards in each column. The first 3 cards in the first 4 columns are placed face down. The remaining cards in the setup are placed face up. The cards will overlap so that each card is seen. After the layout is set up, there will be 3 cards remaining. Place these 3 cards to the side to be used later in the game. The object of the game is to move cards into foundation piles. Once cards are in sequence from king down to ace in the same suit within the layout, the cards can be removed from the layout. Any face-up card can be moved within the layout. In order to move a card, the card being moved must end up on a card that is 1 rank higher and in the same suit. For example, the 10 of clubs can be moved to the jack of clubs as it is 1 rank higher and the same suit as the 10 of clubs. When moving a card with other cards on top of it, all the cards on top of the card being moved are moved with the card. For example, to move the 9 of clubs to the 10 of clubs, the card on top of the 9 is moved as well. When a face-down card becomes open with no cards on top of it, the top face-down card is flipped up. When a column is empty, it can be filled only with a king. The player will continue to make moves. If a player gets stuck with no more moves to make, they will add the 3 leftover cards from the setup to the layout. 1 card gets placed face up on each of the first 3 columns of the layout, and play continues. If a player is able to get all cards into foundation piles, they win the game. If a player gets stuck before getting all the cards into foundation piles, the game is lost. That wraps up How to Play Scorpion Solitaire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!